Hey, let me show you the best way how we can customize the lock screen on the Samsung A37 5G, and I'm going to show you some hidden features that you cannot find when you go for a normal customization. So when you open the settings, go to the wallpaper and the style, and click here. You can only find limited things, but I'm going to show you how we can unlock all of them. So first of all, we have to start by opening the Galaxy Store. Now, we have to go for Apps, click on the right upper corner, and we have to go for a good lock application. We have to download this application. When it's downloaded, we have to just simply open it, and we'll need 2 additional plugins in this application. So the first one, a LockStart, and the ClockFace. You have to download them by clicking on this icon next to each one. And now take a look. When you open the LockStart, what we can do. Let's start from the top, for example. As you can see, we can even change the icon of the lock and its color. So it's like fully customizable option. Let's get, for example, the default one, but let's change its color on the red one. And even we can hide this icon, by the way. This is the first step. Another one, we can find the clock. So in the normal settings, you can only put the clock into this site. But here we can just put it literally wherever you want. And we can even make it super big, like on the full screen. This is something that you cannot do with the standard settings. So now when you got our screen, our clock, we can find here multiple fonts that we can quickly change by selecting each one, and also change this boldness and the thin. And also we can change its color, of course. We can even get this multicolor style. And of course, we can change its style. So here in this lock application, the LockStart application, we can find much more styles. For example, something like this, or even we can get even the additional by using this ClockFace that I just show you. So here we can even find some pictures. You can literally put here whatever you want. But for now, let's say I want to get just a normal style like this one, and I want to get font style, maybe the classic one. But what I want to get a pretty bold font, and I want to get a bigger size, and I want to align this, for example, over here. And what is also really useful that we can show the weather information, and we can put it up, off, or under the clock. So just like you want. Now, when you click here, we can, of course, add widgets into the home screen. So, for example, maybe the voice record area. So we can just quickly start a new voice record. That's pretty good extension. But when you click here, we can even add favorite applications into the lock screen. We can align them like this, or like this. And you can get this shortcuts also. So we can open the settings, turn on indoor outduster mode, flashlight, and you can customize it. So you can put here any shortcut that you want. You can quickly open the messages, camera, Gmail, whatever you want, you can just add here. Click apply. And now let's say we are going to get this bar, and now that it will be visible here, of course we can put it wherever we want. But for me, I'm going to put it here. Now, we have to go for the LockStart one more time, because what we can do, we can even change the lock screen timeout. So as default, it will goes pretty quickly to off, but we can even get this for 5 minutes. And another option, we can change the unlock animation. So how it looks, basically we can find some slide, expand, spray, wave. Or maybe I will go for this one ripple. We can also change this animation time to let it go longer. And now we can just go back. What we can also do, we can change those shortcuts on the left and the right corner. We can completely turn them off, or we can just simply change them. So this is actually like you want. And we can also put a custom text to the log screen by selecting this one, at text. So you can type here whatever you want, like hello. Click OK. You can also make some changes for color, text alignment, size, font, a lot of things. And now we can just drag it, for example, here, release, and now we have to click done. And now when we apply those changes, we can just take a look how it looks. There we go. As you can see, fully customizable. When you click here, we can open those apps. We can quickly turn on the flashlight, for example, when we go for the screen unlock animation. That's how it actually looks. So this is probably the most advanced customization tutorial for the lock screen on the Samsung A37 5G.